Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As per the discussion and held yesterday during the National Secretariat meeting, I am reading out the names of the persons proposed as the national office bearers for the next step. With all your permission, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I read. National President, Professor K.M. Qadar Moinuddin. National General Secretary, Mr. P.K. Kunyalikutti, Deputy Secretary. National Organizing Secretary, Mr. E.T. Muhammad Bashir. Senior Vice President, Dr. Abdul Samad Samadani, MP. National Treasurer, Mr. P.V. Abdul Wahab, MP. Vice Presidents, Mr. K.P.A. Majid, MLA, Kerala. Mr. M. Abdul Rahman, ex-MP, Tamil Nadu. Mr. Siraj Ibrahim Seth, Karnataka. Mr. Dastagir Ibrahim Aga, Karnataka. Mr. S. Naim Akhtar, Bihar. Professor Hayat Khan, Uttar Pradesh. Mr. K. Zainul Abidin, Kerala. Welfare schemes. National Secretaries, Mr. Manavali Shihab, Tangal, Kerala. Mr. Khurram Anis Umar, Delhi. Nawaz Kani, MP, Tamil Nadu. Advocate Haris Biran, MP, Kerala. Mr. Abdul Basit, ex-MLA, Tamil Nadu. Mr. T. Ahmed Kabir, ex-MLA, Kerala. Mr. C.K. Zubair, Kerala. Assistant Secretaries, Mr. Asif Ansari, Delhi. Mr. Faisal Babu, Kerala. Mr. Dr. Najmul Hassan Ghani, Uttar Pradesh. Mrs. Fatima Musaffar, MC, Tamil Nadu. Mrs. Jayanti Rajan, Kerala. Mr. Anjani Kumar Sinha, Jharkhand. Mr. Mahmood Koya, Kerala. These are the office bearers of next term. We can permit with takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd.